Welcome to episode 222 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. Sorry, I was swamped with many works and I could not keep up with your enthusiasm, but here's a very useful lesson for you. So there's a very noticeable mistake that almost all of you are making when you write to me. And especially Indian language speakers should not make this mistake. But since you are translating from English in your mind, this mistake is happening, I think. So you should not use future tense the way you use in English. And here's why. Just see this English phrase to understand what I'm trying to convey. Imagine your friends are telling you, hey, we are hosting a party tomorrow. Your reply would be, yes, I'm coming. So you're actually using the present continuous as though you're in action, as though you've started to go already. But what you actually mean is you will participate tomorrow. So by strict grammatic rules, it is incorrect. But in general, it is correct. Yeah, I'm coming tomorrow. It shows your acceptance, readiness, willingness. With reference to that example, we continue. So there's a beautiful video where one of our friends, a star learner who made a video of himself speaking in Tamil, who learned the language in a very short time. Here's the link to watch that inspiring video which made me so happy. Okay. When I was communicating with him, I asked him for a video audio file for editing and he said, "Konja nerathila anupuven." So this is an exact translation of I will send it shortly. In Tamil, it may sound odd, though grammatically correct. But you have to use the present tense, present imperfect. Like I send it now. Na anupuren. That shows agreeing, willingness. Like I'm sending it. If you say na anupuven, it is like I would send it. So there's a difference even in English between yeah, I'm sending it and I would send it. So this may seem subtle, but in Tamil it may sound odd. So Mr. Praveen is not a native Tamil, so I could understand it. But if a native speaker had told that, I would have been wondering, why is he so rude? Na konja nerathila anupuren is the appropriate answer. I'll send it shortly. I'm sending it in a short while. So as we see more and more example, you can completely understand this concept. There's another learner who communicates with me. She's a prospective star learner. She's yet to become a star learner. So once I told her, hope you'll speak fluently in 3 months. And she said, muyarchi pannuven. But muyarchi pannuren is better suitable. It is like, I shall try. Muyarchi pannuren. Muyarchi pannuven is more like I would try. It seems just like a reply where I'm not being involved. So like for an example, this tournament is going to be extremely tough, but I would try. You're just telling a statement. Muyarchi pannuven. I hope you're understanding it better now. So muyarchi pannaren shows your agreeing, your willingness, like I shall try. And pannuven is I would try. Both are okay but could be understood differently. Okay, this one. The man, the boss of the company, he's telling to his secretary, are you coming tomorrow? Or can you come tomorrow? Let us talk. So they have something important to discuss. And the answer has to be, Sari vare, which is like, sure, I'm coming. But Sari varuven is like, okay, I would come. No. Hope you are understanding it now. Imagine the mother saying, hey, you have exam tomorrow and you're sleeping instead of studying. Ido padikkiren. That is an agreeing tone, a positive reply. Ido padippen. That is, I would read now. Just a reply. Now, let us get one simple notch up so you understand this 200%. சாயந்தரம் இப்படி வருவேன் வந்து உங்களையும் பார்க்குறேன். Evening, I would come this way by and I shall meet you. I would come this way by and I shall meet you. So you're conveying to the other person in a mutually agreeing tone. உங்களை வந்து பார்க்குறேன். Now the second one. Imagine you're a boss of $1 billion company and you have some useless lazy employees never doing their task. So I would come this way by and I would watch you. சாயந்தரம் இந்த பக்கம் வருவேன் வந்து உங்களை பார்ப்பேன். So it is not mutually agreeing. You do not want their acceptance. It's just that you would go to that place and you would check on how they are doing and later decide whether to keep them or fire them. So there's nothing wrong in saying ungala vandu paakren. But then understandably you have to keep a tough face and a tough voice. It is almost like, I shall see how you're doing. Vandu ungala paakren. I shall check on you. I hope you understand it now. The simplest way to explain this is, just imagine the அனுப்புறேன் முயற்சி பண்ணுறேன் to be more willing. I shall try, I shall come. முயற்சி பண்ணுறேன் நான் வரேன். In the future tense, wherever you would use would. I would try, I would come. And also your facial expressions, your tone, they all will determine what you are trying to say. And as you become better and better in the language and watch more and more general YouTube videos, you can understand better. So what don't use, when, etc., etc. Learner's Corner. To watch nuances, there are already a few videos I have made and you can click the link here on top. So these nuances are very important because you can learn all the grammar, all the terms, but the right phrases convey the meaning better. When someone says, I'm coming and I would come, you would understand them a little differently as a listener, right? And the Instagram channel, which can be a supplement to this channel, is Learn Speak Tamil. All the best with your Tamil learning. Thank you for watching. Vanakkam.